guys, it's Mansell here, and welcome back to Sylvanian Sundays, where every Sunday I review something from the Sylvanian line. And today our Sylvanian family are going to be taking a break from the house and going on a vacation. And they're going to be taking an outing on the Seaside Cruiser houseboat. Right before I go ahead and take the houseboat out of the box, we'll first take a look at the packaging that it comes in. This playset has been intended for ages 3 and up, and it includes over 55 pieces. Also included is the chocolate rabbit girl, which is featured in the window in the upper right hand corner. Just under that it says welcome to the seaside area. And in the bottom right we have 4 little pictures of various parts of the playset. And on the back of the box we have more pictures of the playset and the furniture and accessories that are included. Okay, so that was a look at the box. I'm going to go ahead now and remove all the contents and we'll check out what's inside. And I've just removed everything from the box, and the contents include the parts for the ship, some furniture, a little island and palm tree, and we have some more accessories which include cooking utensils and cutlery. We also have 2 yellow slides, a bag which includes a sheet of stickers, chocolate rabbit girl, and the last thing that comes included is the boat itself. There was a look at the contents. I'm going to go ahead now and put this together and then we can check it out. And here is our cruiser all set up, so I'll go ahead now and check it out up close. So we'll start with the top deck of the ship, and here we have the swimming pool. And here's a close-up look at the pool, and we also have a little yellow slide. And this can be placed anywhere around the pool you like. To access the slide we have this little brown ladder, and this also detaches. The slide can also be extended using this extra piece, and you can have it from the top balcony and slide all the way down into the sea. And there is a slot above the cabin to place the slide, and I guess you could hang lights from this. At the far end of the pool we have these 3 little holes, and this is where you can place the wheel. The wheel stands on a brown base, and the wheel itself is done in yellow, and it also turns. At each end we have these brown poles. Once the poles have been set up, the top deck flips out to become a balcony. And with the blue railings that were on the top deck, you can now remove those and place them on the balcony. We also have another 3 holes on the balcony to place the wheel. Or you could place it back where the top deck was. On the lower deck we have these 3 arch style windows, And to the right of that we have 2 portholes. And just under that we have some nautical designs, which include some jellyfish, seaweed, some tiny little fish, starfish and an anchor. On the back of the ship we have a little ladder which gives you access to the top level, and we also have a little saloon door done in brown. And this also opens and closes. Moving around to the other side we have small windows and portals, and these ones have been closed up. And at the front of the boat we have another arch-shaped window which has a little servery. And we also have this red door with a wood grain design, and it has a wheel in the middle. This door also opens and closes. At the front of the ship, which is called the bow, we have another place where you can put the wheel. And behind that we have a compartment where you can store some of the accessories. The side of the ship also flips down to give you easy access inside. And this also converts into another deck which has been tiled, and it has little fish embossed on it. To the left we have this cute little paddling pool which is in the shape of a fish, and this is great for our toddlers. And it also has a disc which spins around, and it gives the illusion that the pool has a glass bottom and you can see all the fish in the ocean. Inside the cabin we have a shower, and it has little nautical themes on the tiles, and we also have silver faucets. And what's really cool is the shower converts into bunk beds. And these are the 2 matching pink blankets to go with the bed. And in the corner there next to the bunks we have room for our little kitchen. The kitchen unit consists of a little oven. Next to the oven we have a little cupboard. On top of the unit above the oven we have the gas cooker, and to the right of that we have a little stainless steel sink. And we can also furnish the inside by bringing the outdoor furniture in and using them as the kitchen table and chairs. We also have some cute little accessories to go with the oven, including this little silver frying pan, and a pair of tongs. And we also have some food items to cook in the fry pan, which include green peppers and other veggies. And we have some cutlery and crockery to go on the table. And now we can serve up our yummy meal. To go with our meal we have a little pitcher full of lemonade and 2 glasses. And we also have 1 tall glass. In addition to the outdoor furniture which we're currently using in the kitchen, we have this deck chair, and it has a little drink holder on the armrest. The back of the chair is also adjustable. And this is great for our hamster mum to relax and enjoy the sun. But we don't want her to get too much sun, so we have the sun umbrella to shade her, which is done in blue and white. At the front of the boat we also have 2 little slots on each side, and this is to place the fishing rod. And here's an up close look at the fishing rod, which is done in blue, and the line is done in a white string. The reel is done in a gunmetal colour. And here are the 4 fish that come included, and we've even snagged a big one on our line. In addition to the cruiser, there's also a little rowboat, which is done in brown, and it comes complete with oars. And here is what the little rowboat looks like inside. These lifesavers are really cute. They're done in a translucent white and solid pink, and these are great for our little critters to sit in. And for the older kids there is a pink pair of goggles should they want to go exploring under the water. And Hamster Mum can keep an eye on the kids with the binoculars that are supplied. And while keeping an eye on the kids, she just spotted a little island in the distance with her binoculars. So our chocolate rabbit girl has used the rowboat to go over and investigate. The base of the island is done in blue to look like water and cream to look like sand. And here is the coconut tree which has grown on the island. And it also has 2 coconuts hidden under the leaves. And hidden in the sand, our chocolate rabbit has found a message in a bottle. And it has a little map inside which says Way to Adventure Island. And here is a picture of the map. And the last few things that come included are these pink flippers, and they have little fish designs on the front. Sorry, I forgot to mention earlier, the oven also comes with a little baking tray, which is also done in a metallic silver. And the last thing that comes included is the sheet of stickers which you can use to decorate the outside of the cruiser and the interior. Okay guys, that comes the end of my review for the Seaside Cruiser houseboat. I think this set is absolutely incredible with all the detail and the accessories that come included. Comment below and let me know what you think, and until next time, thank you again for watching, love you guys, and I look forward to seeing you same place, same time tomorrow.